I'm going to go over it a little bit with you and give you some tips and tricks. So, for example, you want to start out finding out what are people looking for. And so there's basically a couple of fields. Is that the right word? Open windows. I think they're called fields. But now I'm thinking about a green field and I'm actually second guessing myself. That's okay. So answerthepublic.com is a search tool to help you figure out what you can do for marketing or for content. And when you first go to it, you see there's someone smiling with a giant smile, and it just says, discover what people are asking about. And what you'll do there is you put in a brand or a topic, like I'll go ahead and put in podcasting. Okay. Podcasting. All right. I've typed that in, and then I put in where I am located, and I'm going to say the United States, and I'm going to say what language I speak. And I'm going to click on English. Now I'm going to search, and it's thinking. And now all of a sudden, it's coming up with a bunch of results. And in fact, in just a few seconds, it came up with 649 results. Now, I don't want to worry about all 649. There's a whole bunch of different things that propagate, or should I say generate. There's a whole bunch of different things that come up when you type that in. And one of them is 96 different questions that people are asking. Another is prepositions, 96 different ones, comparisons, 66, alphabeticals, 376, and then related was 15. So I scroll down to start seeing the questions, and what comes up is a wheel. It looks like a wheel with 96 spokes of different questions. How to podcast intro, how to make a podcast, how to put podcast on Spotify, how to make money through podcasts, how do podcasts make money, how podcasting works. Is podcasting free? There's so many searches, and it basically puts the highest ranking ones in certain places. And it also starts out with it separates them. So all of the can you do this in podcasting is in one place. How do I do this is in another place. Whose are in another place. So like, who invented podcasting? Who started podcasting? Who is podcasting popular with? Who owns podcasting? Who runs podcasting? And then you've got like the where's, where is it headed? Where to find it on my iPhone? Where can I start a podcast? And then I've got the what's. What podcasts are on Spotify? What podcasts are on Amazon? What podcasts are on Sirius XM? And I've got the why. Why is podcasting the future? Why is podcasting important? Why is podcasting good? Why podcasting is used? Why are podcasts effective? Why are podcasts great? And there's just dozens and dozens of these questions. I'm throwing out random ones that I see. I'm not necessarily picking the best ones right now. And you can pay. You can pay a little bit if you want to get more, but you got a free trial, and you can't even see all 96 questions or however many come up for your industry. You can't even see all of them unless you pay. But for free, I've got about half of them. More than half. I got 53 out of 96.